unboxing my new Garmin 106 SV. That Garmin has replaced my old. Let's go ahead and get this stuff here taken care of. I'm just gonna swap them out. I'll go ahead and swap out my memory card and everything and make sure my waypoints transfer over. I'll do a video on that too. All right, YouTube, check this out. This is just a real quick testimonial for you for Garmin. If you look at my unit here, this is a 106 SV. Lady Drysdale and I was out, and it is so hot. I don't know if this thing melted the glue, but it is hot as fish grease out here. But you can see that my screen here is coming off of the casing. So what I did is I called Garmin, because I was going to super glue it, but I went on this forum and I asked people, thoughts about it. So I called Garmin. Long story short, Garmin has sent me a replacement 106 SV, and this one here has been out of warranty for a little while. So what I'm about to do now is I am about to wipe all my data off of here, and I can send this back. All of my waypoints and everything are getting ready to be wiped out of here. So what do I need to do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my fish finder here, and I'm going to delete all of my waypoints off of here. I'm not concerned about losing my waypoints because I have this system networked to my unit that's up on the front. So to delete all of that, I'm going to go to my nav info, and then I'm going to go to manage data, and I'm going to say clear user data. And I'm going to say, just to show you my waypoints, I'm going to say clear all of my waypoints. And it says delete all waypoints. I'm going to say okay, but I'm not even going to, I'm going to say okay since I'm here. Let's go ahead and delete all my waypoints. Clearing user data cleared. That's all gone. So now if I go to all, I'm going to say clear all my user data, and all of my data is cleared. I just cleared my entire fish finder from everything. Now if I go to waypoints, I got nothing. I got nothing. So this is a big shout out to Garmin Electronics. They replaced my unit, and all I have to do is ship this old one back. So I'm going to go ahead and package this thing up, take it back up to UPS. It's going to be hard for anybody else to get me to buy any electronics from them, because this customer service from Garmin is hard to beat. Thank you, Garmin. Deuces.